nice day all of you. You all are welcome to Dinitha Nishanka Science Academy, right? Today we are going to discuss about the topic called acid, base and the salts. Acid is a chemical compound. Its specialty is it can release hydrogen ion, it can release H plus ions in the aqueous medium, right? That is that is the normal characteristics of an acid, right? Then the base is a chemical compound that can release hydroxyl ion in the aqueous medium. Okay, when we can categorize acids into main two groups. They are strong acids and the weak acids. Same thing for the bases. Base can be categorized as strong base and the weak base. Let me see what are the strong acids, weak acids, strong base and the weak base. Let's see. Right. Strong acids means this is a chemical substance or this is the acid that can completely ionize in the aqueous medium and it releases the hydrogen ion. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, right? In the aqueous medium, it is completely dissociate into hydrogen ions and corresponding negative ions. This one also at the aqueous state. Nitric acid also a strong acid that also completely dissociate in the aqueous medium and release H plus ion and corresponding negative ion. Let me see what is weak acid. Right, acid can partially ionize in the aqueous medium and release H plus ion in the aqueous medium. For example, the example for an weak acid is acetic acid, CH3COOH. This is partially ionized in the aqueous medium and release hydrogen ion and corresponding negative ion. The other example, carbonic acid, H2CO3. This one also partially ionized in the aqueous medium and release H plus ion into aqueous medium. Right. Let me see what are the strong bases. Bases also a chemical compound that release OH minus in the aqueous medium. Let's see what are the strong bases and the weak bases. Right, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, barium hydroxide are the examples for the strong bases. Right. Let's see how their behavior in the aqueous medium. For example, sodium hydroxide in the aqueous medium completely dissociated into sodium ion and hydroxyl ion. That means it releases hydroxyl ion into aqueous medium. Potassium hydroxide is also a strong base. That one also completely dissociated in the aqueous medium and makes potassium ion and hydroxyl ion. Alright. Let's see what are the weak bases. Right. The example for the weak base is the ammonium hydroxide. You know the symbol NH4OH. This is partially dissociated in the aqueous medium and release ammonium ion and hydroxyl ion.